Hi there, Matt Luxton here from the Equestrian Athlete Plan. I'm shooting this video for you today really just to help those of you who do suffer from lower back pain alleviate some of the symptoms that we get. Okay, a lot of the lower back pain that we find with a lot of our equestrian athletes is to do with the pelvis. Okay, unfortunately during the seated position like so, the pelvis tilts this way. Okay, so it's tipping forwards as a result of tight muscles on the front of the hips. Okay, now this is exacerbated by the fact that most of us live. We end up driving to work. If we don't sit down at work, we're lucky, okay? But then we tend to drive home and we'll sit on the sofa, we'll sit down to have dinner. So a lot of us are sat down a lot of the time, which subsequently makes these muscles really, really short and tight, and also the muscles in the lower back. So I've got two exercises that a lot of our equestrian athletes find really, really useful when they're training, helping to get their glute muscles nice and strong and keep their core strong as well, by just helping to turn these off a little bit because they're just a little bit excited, so we can turn them off. So with the tennis ball, what I want you to do is imagine that that's your spine, okay, and the muscles that run either side of the spine, so we're not on the spine, we're just one side or the other. Okay, we're going to roll the tennis ball up and down the lower back there. So I'm just going to pop this up on the floor to show you how to do that. So you'll be in here, okay, tennis ball just goes on one side of the spine and the lower back, and then you're just going to roll there, forwards and back. Now the tennis ball is quite a nice option. If you want to try something a little bit harder, you can use like a lacrosse ball or even a golf ball, okay? They're both quite aggressive though, so perhaps try the tennis ball first and see how you go on. So roll for about 10 to 15 seconds, always stay up and down the muscle, not across it, okay, so up and down. Exactly the same on the other side, okay, with the tennis ball in there. Once you've done that, then this is a great exercise for stretching out the front of the hips. Okay, so this can be done, you're going to use a bench here, but this can be done using a sofa at home, anything you like. So, just pop the back foot on the sofa, or on the bench. You want to try and get a nice straight line between the shoulder, the hip and the knee on this back foot. You're then going to reach tall, okay, stretching through here, okay. On the initial stretch, don't stretch it too hard, just feel the stretch, relax into it. If you want to increase the stretch, you can just push the hand up slightly in there and relax. Push the hand up and relax. Okay? Actually do that movement, the pushing up movement, okay, for about 3 times, 5 seconds on each one. Okay, each time you push up, hold it for 5, and then relax, and then go again. Change legs obviously and do both sides. So the tennis ball on the lower back helps to, if you like, self-massage, okay, helps to relax off those muscles. This one here is actually a stretch, okay, and this is really good for helping lengthen up these muscles here, which we said are getting too tight. One, mainly because of the sport that you're involved in, and 2, because of the lifestyle that we tend to live nowadays. Okay, so there's 2 exercises you can do, or 2, one rolling exercise and one stretching exercise that you can do to help alleviate lower back problems. Okay, take care, bye bye.